Fleas and ticks forever with this natural remedy. If you have a dog or a cat, then you have a really great and loyal friend that unfortunately seems to be a magnet for horrible, draining fleas and ticks, right? And unfortunately many flea treatment products contain harsh chemicals that have been reported to cause everything from mild skin irritation to seizures and death. Did you know that the experts say that the flea products are the second most common causes of dog poisoning? Well, yes, but you shouldn't be worried because we have some good news for you. Yes, and the good news is that the dangers associated with commercial products that repel fleas has led many pet owners to look for more natural solutions. In this video we're going to show you all natural solution that has many holistic vets raving. Flea Be Gone Powder. Instructions. You will need the following ingredients. 1 cup of food grade diatomaceous earth. Half a cup of neem powder. Half a cup of yarrow powder. 20 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Directions. Here's what you need to do. It's very simple. To make the flea repelling powder, mix all the ingredients together and put in a container with a shaker top. How to use it? Here's what you need to do. You just have to apply this powder to your dry dog and brush their fur so the powder comes into contact with their skin. Avoid getting it into their eyes or nose. Note: you should know that if your dog has an active flea infestation, you'll want to apply this powder every other day until you see no more traces of fleas. And be sure to get the powder in areas where your pet spends lots of time, such as their bed or areas of your carpet. Leave it to sit there for a few hours, then vacuum it up. To make sure your pet stays flea-free, apply the powder once monthly during flea season. The million-dollar question: how does it work? Note: first, you should know that each of the ingredients has flea-repelling qualities that will send the critters running. Just take a look at the video and find out more about the ingredients. Diatomaceous earth. Here's what you need to know. Diatomaceous earth is made up of the silica from fossilized aquatic organisms. While each of the silica grains are harmless to you and your pet, to insects they are incredibly sharp. How this works? Well, when fleas come into contact with diatomaceous earth, their skin is punctured and they dehydrate. Neem powder. First, you should know that this powerful powder has been used for centuries to repel fleas, ticks, lice, and other creepy crawly pests. The experts say that this powerful powder contains azadirachtin, which disrupts the development of insect larvae, stopping a new generation dead in its tracks. Also found in neem powder is salinan, which has been shown in some studies to be more effective than DEET at repelling pests. Yarrow powder. Unfortunately, the real and ugly truth is that the flea bites have a tendency to become infected, leading to even more problems for your pet. Yarrow powder is an anti-inflammatory substance that prevents this. It will also soothe your dog's irritated skin. Trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Eucalyptus essential oil. Did you know that the CDC has confirmed that natural eucalyptus oil is as effective as chemical DEET for repelling pests? Well, yes, and you should also know that eucalyptus essential oil has powerful antiseptic properties to assist with healing after insect bites. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.